The city of Perth, located in Western Australia, is a vibrant and picturesque destination that attracts tourists from all over the world. Known for its stunning beaches, breathtaking scenery and rich cultural heritage, Perth offers a unique travel experience. Perth is the capital of Western Australia and is often referred to as the gateway to Australia. It boasts the perfect blend of natural beauty and urban sophistication. With its pristine beaches such as Cottesloe Beach and Scarborough Beach, visitors can enjoy sunny days on the Indian Ocean. The tourism infrastructure in Perth provides excellent facilities to cater to the needs of tourists. The city boasts of a well-developed public transportation system that makes it easy to get around the city. Accommodation options range from luxury hotels to cheap hostels or serviced apartments. Overall, whether you want to explore its beautiful beaches or immerse yourself in its rich cultural heritage, the city of Perth has something to offer every tourist.